All right, guys. So all the races are in the captain's meeting, and I want to do a little walk around of all these boats. Me and Yami are arguing: is this a wrap or a paint job? And I keep touching it. See that this is a wrap, but this is a paint job.
This is a wrap.
No, it's not.
Look at the lines right here.
No, it's not.
Look at this. These are stickers.
No, it's not. Yeah. This is a paint job, and this paint job is
the owner.
amazing.
Time to drop a comment and let us know if it's a paint job.
Look at the details on this thing.
It's a wrap.
That's the bat boat. We're gonna go look at all the other race boats getting ready for the race today. Here's Rolling Dirty Offshore. If you guys haven't already seen the previous video, go watch it. It's a banger. I think I want to put the drone in the air. I feel like this would be also nice with a drone footage in the air. Back out, baby. Predator. Oh, these are boats I want to see. I want to see these single outboard boats, because if I'll be racing, this is the class I'll be racing in right here. It's a super boat and a 22 progression and two 22 progressions. This is what I like right here. Nice. Look, babe, that's the cowling I want. This image is that cowling. This is the same bottom. This technically is the same engine as mine from here to here.
You just want a different cowling. This
is the cowling I want, the alien cowling. And I want the whole engine to match my hat. Yeah. I need this. I need this. And I need these. But that's the vision. And that's what we gotta do. Yeah, I have this guy on Instagram. I follow him just because of his boat.
Tell him his tag broke off, but boat's nice.
Nice.
Very beautiful.
See, like if I'll be racing, this is something I want to race in right here, this class.
I like his trailer ring.
Yeah, I'm changing the tires on the wheels on my trailer too.
I like that.
So.
Like this black, like this.
The sparkle. Yeah, it looks like they cleared a metallic all over everything.
Yeah.
Looks nice. I like it. Oh look, Bay Rippers. It's a big Instagram page right there. That's pretty cool. They actually started following me because of the last video I posted.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they just started following me on Instagram, Bay Rippers.
Nice, very nice.
Oh, another outboard boat. I like outboards a lot more than inboards. Some guys are gonna judge me on that, but I prefer outboards. I prefer the weed eater engines. Nice. Look at this thing. This guy's running an older EFI motor, a 250 EFI motor. Looks like he doesn't want to break his motor mounts. What is this? Not even. This is a 99 225 EFI. Supposedly, that's what the mist section says. Well, he's racing. Oh, look at that. Look at this. What he has there to support the transom.
Wow, look at this.
And he has a lot of exposed wood. Look at that. Goes to show, you don't need a brand new boat to go racing.
He's out here.
Still out here having fun, so that's all that matters. Ooh, ouch. Ouchie. Ouchity ouch.
Scary.
Hey, whatever.
A little bit scary. Tad bit scary. Too scary for my comfort zone, actually. He's out here. Aviation in equestrian.
Wow.
You know what that means?
No, what does it mean? They ride horses? That's what it means?
Maybe. They're not just running on water. That's what that means.
Look at this setup, man. This is like the dream ultimate setup right here.
My boat.
There you go. There's your boat, babe.
Oh, my boat.
It's waiting for you. Alright guys, so we're gonna go for a little flight and see what we see. Alright, we're gonna walk back to our pits, but I wanna be recording from up top. Hopefully I don't hit any brains here. I figured this would be the nicest way to get footage. Let's go high. I want to go high. I want to see the sun. Look at the vibe. Yami gets anxiety whenever she sees that I fly the drone so high up. But
all I see is the ocean, Lewis.
it's a beautiful day. Look at that. Look how clear that water is, man. I want to go swimming, but it's probably so cold. So we're on the west coast of Florida in a town called Edgewater. This is the first time I come to this event, and this is the first time I'm in this town.
This town is called Englewood.
Englewood. I keep calling it Edgewater. I sound like a Mongolian.
It's called. And we're running again.
We're back up and running.
Yes, we are.
All right.
What is this location called, sir?
We're in Englewood, Florida.
Strictly business. You know what that means?
Strictly business.
strictly boating.
Oh, that's what he tells his wife.
Probably.
That's all he tells his wife. It's just strictly business, babe. Nothing else. I promise.
She's probably one of those wives doesn't like boating.
There's a lot of those. I got lucky. I don't know where I found you. I got definitely lucky.
The boat gods sent me.
The boat god sent you to me.
How they are all
Yeah.
done. Okay.
Well,
Jim Litton's down here.
yeah.
You see David?
Careful. Careful.
Keys is on that other car.
No, he said the keys were on the gas tank on the seat.
Okay. Morning.
Good morning.
What a beautiful day. I'm up at 136 feet right now.
Don't tell me that. My anxiety goes up.
A beautiful day for racing. Oh, my bad.
All the other stuff, like 3 pounds of cheese, man.
Luis!
Man, this puppy. Alright guys, it's 9:30 in the morning and it's time to go racing. Everybody's prepping up and getting ready to go to the crane to put the boat in the waters. So, like the last video, we're gonna be hanging out today with Rolling Dirty Offshore. They fixed the little fire issue and they're ready to race.
Thanks, Joey.
If you guys haven't watched the previous video, go watch it. It's a banger. This boat had a fire.